Bajaj Avenger 220 cruise vehicle, front and back tire information. Front tire size 180, front tire size 80/100-17 MC46P. This is the front tire information, and rear tire information 130/9015 MC66P. You can check this. This is the rear tire information. Avenger. That's it. This is the Avenger front and back tire information. Please like the video.